This video will show you how to jumpstart a disabled vessel that you suspect has a flat battery. With this, we're going to use our built-in jumpstart facilities using this cable. You can see that the cable has very large alligator clamps at one end to go to the disabled vessel's battery and a large Anderson plug at the other end to connect onto our vessel. You'll also notice that there's a grey control module which will display the voltage of the disabled vessel and give you feedback as to whether or not it has been connected successfully. Always connect the red and black alligator clamps to the disabled vessels first, and then connect the Anderson plug onto our batteries. This is to help eliminate any sparks that can occur if we've already connected the Anderson plug and the customer accidentally touches the red and black clamps together. Likewise, when disconnecting, we always disconnect the Anderson plug first and then get the customer to disconnect the red and black clamps from their battery. For the purposes of this video, we're just going to connect onto the battery that is on our own vessel, but this would be simulating as if we were on the disabled vessel and connecting to their battery. So we hand the customer the red and black cables, and we get them to connect red to red and black to black. So here you can see I've connected red to red and black to black. Here you can see the control module is showing that the disabled vessel's battery is sitting at 12 volts, and I've got a green LED telling me that it is connected correctly. Once I have confirmed this, I'm ready to plug in the Anderson plugs. To connect them, remove the rubber caps, and they will only go in one way and connect as follows. Once we have successfully made the connection, you get the disabled vessel to attempt to start their vessel. As they try and start, don't allow them to continue cranking for any more than about 10 seconds, and then give it a break for about 1 minute. This will ensure that you don't overheat the cable connections and don't do any undue stress onto our rescue vessel's batteries. During this process, always monitor that the cables don't accidentally slip off their vessel and get caught in a fan belt or other engine parts. You would also make sure that the marine rescue vessel has its engines started and running in neutral while this operation is taking place. So the process of disconnecting is we always disconnect the Anderson plug first before telling the customer to release the cables off their battery. So we're going to do that now. Remove and insert the rubber weatherproof caps. And you can get your customer now to disconnect from their battery. So I'm going to show you what happens if the customer incorrectly connects their battery and why we don't connect the Anderson plug until we've confirmed the correct connection. So I'm going to connect and simulate like as if the connections have been put on incorrectly by putting black to red and red to black. I'm going to do that now. What you'll notice is an alarm will go off and I'll get a red and blue flashing light. So this confirms that they've connected incorrectly. So I need to switch the connections over and make sure that it's connected in the correct method, and I've got the green light before connecting onto our battery. Note that it's important to always do a risk assessment before allowing a jump start to take place. If you do smell fuel or you physically see that their battery is in very poor condition, then it's a recommendation not to proceed with a jump start, but instead to tow the disabled vessel to safety.